Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie, and today I'm going to show you how to say the S sound. S. When thinking about where to put your tongue for the S sound, remember your tongue needs to stay behind your teeth, so you're saying S and not Th. Also, you have bumps right here behind your front teeth. This is called your alveolar ridge. That's a good starting spot for your tongue when you're getting ready to say the S sound. So find the bumps, put your tongue tip there, and air is going to slide right over your tongue and right out your mouth. I made a silly song about how to say the S sound, and it goes like this. Teeth are close with your tongue inside, air slides out. Now you sing it with me. Teeth are closed with your tongue inside, air slides out. All right, I'm going to say my S sound and then you practice it. How did you do? Now you are going to practice 10 more times. You're going to see a mouth pop on your screen that looks like this. Every time you see the mouth, say S. Great job practicing! Another trick for saying your S sound is if you can say the T sound, t, t, and stretch it out to make a stretchy T, it can turn into an S. Watch. T, 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 t. Pretty cool, huh? You try. T, 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 t. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you had fun learning how to say the S sound. And if you think you need more practice, play the video again. To the parents and speech-language pathologists watching this video, I wrote a very helpful workbook called I Can Say the S Sound. It takes you step by step through teaching the S sound and has lots of fun activities in it to help the child learn. So this can be downloaded at peachiespeechie.com or you can buy a paper copy on Amazon. This is Arlo. Isn't he cute? He's my cuddliest kitty.